social media. But from the onset, I want to say there was no bribe paid to Honorable Mpuuga. There wasn't a bribe. If it is the politics, that is beyond me to talk about the politics of any party. I speak Parliament, and there was no bribe Honorable Mpuuga received from Parliament. For purposes of clarity, the public ought to know that every member of Parliament is paid a gratuity every year. One would classify that as a service reward. 2, Honorable Mpuuga, by virtue of being a member of the commission as leader of the opposition, was offering a service beyond being a member of Parliament or being a member of NUP. Because Parliament is a distinct institution. It is an arm of government with its own staff, with its own policies. To reward, for instance, Parliament here, we have a long service reward for staff. Any staff who serves consecutively for 20 years is given a reward here. And many organizations has a human resource management instrument, reward their employees for services rendered. Parliament is not doing anything wrong. And the decisions of the Parliamentary Commission are backed by the Parliamentary Act. That is the law. So calling it a reward only serves propaganda value. But in honest terms, it's a legitimate pay.